Hey buddies, I welcome you all in this Usitility channel. Today you will understand how to install the 8-ball pool on PC so we can enjoy with mouse and keyboard even on a big screen. No more need to stick your eyes on the small display, but it is the time to play 8-ball pool on PC. I'll set up this game on my laptop to show you all the necessary steps. Without more delay, let me take the start. To install this specific game on the computer, I've given a website link for you in the description of the video. This is the URL. I show it here in case you want to view it slightly bigger. You will be forwarded to this page of BlueStacks 8-ball pool. By using BlueStacks, we'll install and then play this game on a big screen. BlueStacks is a fantastic program to download any Android game, even on a large screen. Only press on Download 8-ball pool for PC, and then this game will be installed on your computer. The downloaded file is here now. We click on the file that has been downloaded. If you are asked for permission, then accept to carry on. To check out installation software, it is better to minimize the browser tab like this. You possibly can select a custom location by hitting Customize the installation. We can configure the directory where we want to install this game. Next, click here on Back, and then press Install Now. It is going to take several MBs from the memory of your computer system to download this specific file. If you have an excellent net connection, then the file will be downloaded quickly. It will then set up the emulator on your system. The installation of the emulator is finally over now, and we're going to continue. This is the first time it'll open BlueStacks, so it is going to make some configurations, which it's only going to do this time. The rest of the times, it's not going to take that long to start. The next thing is vital. We are going to now head over to Sign In to get access to Google Play. For the login to Google Play, you will need to type in email and password. It is essential to sign in to install the game. We're also going to sign in now. We'll enter the email as well as the password in our Google account, and that's it. Look, we've signed in our Google account. To continue game installation, we accept the terms by pressing I agree. It asks for making backup of our device within the cloud, however, we don't require it, therefore, we press No. As you have seen, we're here in our Google Play account now. Whenever you would like to get back to the computer's desktop, hit on this particular arrow. Observe that the two icons are displayed here that are BlueStacks and also BlueStacks multi-instance. If you'd like to start the BlueStacks app, then click the BlueStacks icon. Now, to set up this game, we'd click on this icon. Right after completing all of the essential steps, we have eventually reached the installation phase. I will have to visit Google Play for the installation of 8-ball pool. Now, you will notice, my laptop is downloading 8-ball pool. A faster web connection is recommended to complete the downloading of the game instantly. I'll be back again after that process to save your precious time. After installing the game, the icon of 8-ball pool has appeared on the desktop so that we'll directly start 8-ball pool. Whenever you will need to have fun playing the game, double-click 8-ball pool icon on your computer's desktop. The double-clicking icon of the game from the computer's desktop is one method to play 8-ball pool, and yet another technique is to launch it employing BlueStacks. We'll click on this BlueStacks icon to start the game. You can also make changes in the keyboard settings from this point. Anyhow, keyboard settings already seem perfect, and so we will close it. Would you like to enjoy the game even on a big screen? If yes, there are two ways. By clicking here on the Maximize bar, the emulator will be increased. It would still not be a 100% full screen. As we want 100% full display, we'll have to click F11 to go in the full screen mode, and press F11 just as before to exit the full screen. No task in your computer will disturb you while playing this game in full screen mode. According to the ability of your laptop or computer, the game could be more or even less smooth, since this is an emulator and needs a great deal of power. Let us now quickly take a look at the way to alter the language of the game. We click on this cogwheel right here. We will head over to Preferences. In the drop-down menu, opt for the language you want. I have finally changed the language, C. So this is undoubtedly the way we have installed 8-ball pool in PC. Do not forget to like this tutorial and leave a comment, if any, we will be pleased to answer back. Thank you for viewing. We'll be back again with new exciting stuff.